So, find out in part 2 where I've gone now. There's a lot more steps involved. Whew. We're gonna go to the military fort now, and it's just like a 7-minute walk down the road. When I say walk down the road, it's a bit early, which is why I got the camera out, the action camera. And hopefully this will take me all the way. If not, I might have to do some car dodging. But yeah, today's adventure is going really well. I'm starving because I just haven't eaten and I want to get it all done. And then maybe go down to the village once it's all done and finish up. You know what? Been thinking, why shouldn't I follow up on that tip? Oh, we've got a lawnmower coming, I think. Made it alive. Do lighting's better on this side, so I wish I got here earlier because there's like so much to explore and do, like everywhere. Just going up to the castle now. I'm gonna have a look around, sit to get pictures from the hill. Here's the key point. I'm gonna follow up on that Freemasons suggestion of going to that Freemasons church, because why not? But you know. So if you're finding this, I may have been kidnapped by some Freemasons. And if this is going to be my last recording, love you mum and dad and Caroline. But why not? It looked pretty, it seems cheap, and Ubers are well cheap out here. They're like £3 to get you wherever you want. Don't take the tuk-tuk things, take the Ubers. Nice luxury vehicle. Done. Unless you're into the tuk-tuk thing, which I'm quite fancy sometimes. But yeah, see you in a bit. Bye. Nice cheesy photo there. Imagine you're in all that gear and then you have to climb up and you see this in front of you. I'll be like, nah boys, I'm going home for a cup of tea. Sod that for a laugh. Bring me back when the Air Force gets here. This is cool. It's like urban exploring. It's everyday tourists. Health and safety back home would have a nightmare about this place. I mean, look at this. Don't worry, I caught you. Boom, selfie. So yeah, this is just a very cool place. You must have had to come up here, but look, you can see your like opponent coming from miles away. So you've got a strategic advantage being up here. And oh my god, there's a good shot of that castle. Oh my lord, I've seen it, The actual place he was on about, that's what it looks like on Google. I mean, look at that. My lord, a lot of stairs in this place. I haven't even seen an information board, but I'm going to guess this was medieval architecture, given the fact that it's battlements and looks like one hell of a way to defend. not even at the top, but check out these views. Okay, we're just approaching the top of this now. All my life I would not like to be an attacker or a defender. It seems like a lot of effort for not much reward. But yeah, here we go. And there we go. Finally made it to the top, and we can see Barbie Castle in all its form, as the local calls it, in all its glory. And here you go. So much more peaceful up here than it was up there in Selfie Village. They put like glass houses over where like all the dead bodies they found. It just makes you wonder like where else they put them in all this overgrowth and stuff. But yeah, no, this place looks. This place is brilliant. Look at that. I think with the hybridization on this, and hopefully the mic is doing okay. I really hope the GoPro wins it. This is just a better camera for traveling with. It's just nice, easy, fits in your pocket, can do most everything. Yeah, I hope the GoPro does win out in the end. But, you know, it can't focus and stuff and do all that goodness. You see, don't get me wrong, I like the amount of control I have with the DJI iPhone and Rode microphone, but it takes time to, first of all, set everything up. And second of all, you don't really know the quality of this yet either. Where we're guaranteed from the marathon footage that we know it does all the basics very well. But the things I like about this is you can just hold it in the position as you go around, and you can walk and talk with it. And it's brilliant for just doing things like that, where, you know, if we spin around, it will follow me and it just keeps everything nice and stable. So I don't know, it's very good for B-roll. Absolutely A star for B-roll. Probably shouldn't be using it for B-roll, but you know, at the end of the day, we're going to have to find out when we get back to the edit room and handing over to post-Paul. So I think I just knocked the microphone there. Whoops. So, you know, I don't even know how the sound quality is coming out in this, so could be very bad, could be really good. Who knows? Yeah, so I think we've seen all we can see here, and we're going to go off to that Mason's place in a bit and just see what that's about. And then we'll head into town and I'll finally have something to eat today. Boom! And then adventure will be completed, and I would have looked back on this with fun memories. So no Uber wanted to come up the mountain, come get me. I don't blame them. Like, no Uber wanted to come and pick me up at the top of the mountain. So, because it was like £3 to go take me there, and it would have taken ages to get here. So I decided to instead spend the money on a beer and a sandwich and refuel myself and walk the half an hour down the mountain to the Freemasons palace that they've built. So, you know, it's not quite a lovely walk. I can't help but feeling I'm walking to my death because I don't have my hiking boots on or anything like that. But still, it is an adventure! Woo! So I've been out all day. I had to top up my water supply, and so I've used this random tap here. This is true travelling now. We're officially using open source tap water that we know nothing about. Okay, random water from a fountain in the wall on the side of a mountain taste test, part 1. Yep, tastes like water. 100% tastes like water. I don't know, maybe maybe I was supposed to fill out, maybe I wasn't. If I wasn't, I get sick. At least I'll get skinnier, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think